How to use Facebook Meta AI on mobile. Open the Facebook app. Just click on Search bar at the top. You can select the question from suggestions, as I selected, and you will see the quick responses from AI. A lot of information you can see on screen. Go back and just write your own question, as I wrote. You will find a lot of information about it. Just click on it. You will see a lot of options here. You will react on it, as I sent reaction, and it is showing at the end. Click on plus icon, and you will add the other emojis too. Go back. You can also reply to meta information, and you will see the response by AI. Also click on 2 lines. You can react good or bad. You can also forward the meta information to other person, as I sent. Just write the name and click on Send. It was sent successfully. You can also copy the text. Now go back and open Messenger. You will see the meta AI here. Open the chat. You will find all the questions and responses here that you have done on Facebook. Also right here. That is how you can use Facebook AI on mobile app. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.